In this video, we will give you a brief overview of your recruitment dashboard in Sprint CV. The most important button in your dashboard is the New Consultant button. From here, you can add new talent to your pool by entering their names and uploading their CVs. The AI review and generate CV options will be predefined by your company. You can choose to display consultants from your own team or from the entire company. This depends on the status of your account, which is defined according to your internal guidelines and setup. You can also access the talent report. This report includes information about skills, education, training, and other data available in the system for the entire company. It gives you a full view of the talent pool. Next, you can use the advanced search. This feature helps you find consultants who match specific criteria. For example, you can search for a certain number of years of experience or a particular skill. The list will update automatically based on the filters you apply. If your company has granted you permission, you can also view the company level analytics. This includes insights such as the number of consultants, managers, CVs generated, and active jobs. We hope this quick guide helps you navigate the interface with confidence. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.